Don't start making AI animated videos until you learn how to do this. A brand new YouTube channel is pulling in over 24 million views in just 1 month using AI animated animal experiment videos. Their ultra-realistic visuals and scientific-style storytelling grab attention instantly and keep viewers watching till the end. Seeing this made me curious. Can I recreate the same type of videos using AI? After closely analyzing the channel's content style, structure, and pacing, a clear pattern emerged. Their success comes from 3 core elements: strong scroll-stopping hooks, short, factual, but dramatic narration, hyper-realistic experimental visuals. With these insights, I started researching the exact AI tools and workflows needed to replicate this format efficiently. If you're enjoying this breakdown so far, click the I button above to watch a related video on AI content creation. Now let's get back to the video. With the right tools and just a couple of hours of work, the first AI-generated results were ready.
The saltwater crocodile, with a bite force of 3,700 psi, can crush bones and completely sever a limb in seconds. The great white shark, with a bite force of 4,000 psi, can tear through flesh and rip limbs apart with a single strike.
Everything you're seeing here was created entirely using AI. In this video, I'm breaking down the entire process step by step, including how to generate scripts automatically, how to create ultra-realistic AI images, how to animate those images, how to add professional AI voiceovers. All the tools and prompts I use are linked below, so you can try this yourself. Now pause for a second and comment below. What niche are you trying to build with AI? Animals, health, facts, horror, or something else? Script writing is the backbone of this entire format. I developed a custom AI prompt that automatically inserts different animals, adds accurate bite force values, generates realistic damage descriptions. This single prompt can generate scripts for 10 or more animals, all written in the same viral style. If this is helpful so far, like and share this video. It really helps the channel grow. Using the script as a reference, images are generated using Dreamina Model 4, Whisk, Nano Banana. The exact image prompt is also included in the document linked below. Make sure you check it out. The same prompt is tested across all 3 AI models to compare realism, detail, overall visual quality. This makes it easy to choose the model that best fits your channel's style. Next, static images are turned into dynamic videos using an image-to-video generator. Custom motion prompts control realism, and clips can be extended smoothly by continuing from the last frame. Perfect for longer videos or shorts. For narration, I use 11 Labs, chosen for its natural, documentary-style voices. The script is converted into audio with slight tuning to improve clarity, pacing, and impact. Everything is brought together in CapCut. Video clips aligned with the voiceover, captions added for higher retention, background music layered for pacing. This completes the final video.
The saltwater crocodile, with a bite force of 3,700 psi, can crush bones and completely sever a limb in seconds. The great white shark, with a bite force of 4,000 psi, can tear through flesh and rip limbs apart with a single strike.
The finished result closely matches the visual style, structure, and pacing of high-performing AI animal experiment channels, proving this workflow is both effective and scalable. This entire process shows that anyone can create viral-style AI animated videos using modern tools and a structured approach. All tools and custom prompts are linked below. Now tell me in the comments, which niche do you want me to cover next using AI?